DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, the Dan is back in the lab. Yeah man, gang, you see what we are doing today, man? They are back with the bombard. They are the Bob Panzi himself, Mr. Scamming Over Music, artist who we love to react to on the channel. Yeah man, we're there with none other than Skippa himself. Yeah man, and today the one out there, the one named Cash Code. You see me and say, yeah man, gang. Don't know Skippa been doing this thing. Cash Code, you see me, we have to check it out. It depends on the jute already. I believe this is the big breeze with him, I believe. You see me and say, so I have to check it out. Everybody been going crazy, you know. You see me and say, and this one was actually requested by one of the Dan Mafia members. This was requested by 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Matthew. You see, 𝐑𝐿 big up yourself. 𝐑𝐿 was requesting shit a lot. You see me, but we'll check it out so we dog and deal with. Gang, yeah man, so let me know when you think about that one now. We don't have to go all up the vibes much longer. Skippa, bad artist, what we love react to. You already know what. We already know that already. You see me, so we don't expect nothing different than something mad from Skippa. You see me and say, so let's get it again. Skippa, Cash Code, let's get
Can't stop bang you crazy. D from start
this nigga about to go crazy already. Nigga in a black Air Force energy. You see me? This nigga about to go crazy, gang.
Can't stop bang you crazy. D from start artist since then. Music money can't stay. This game gon' pay me. Promote a ball, but the price on the crazy.
Woohoo!
Hell boy.
What me know, man?
Boy, nah, guy.
Hell boy. Where say dog boy nah got hell do? Come in, no?
Hell boy. Boy, nah, guy.
Oh boy nah got hell.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. This shit sounding, yo. This beat is crazy. You hear that sample in the background? Who's that?
I one click on the piece and the wheels start floating. A bus but me done about 3 passport. Make a toast money, make from the beat start blow up a pill.
Hold on. Come on. I probably say, yo, why I'm pulling up so early, man? Yo, the man start off 15 man 16 no bus and me done 3 passport pussy. I wanna feel like you. Been a do this before the music thing.
I one click on the piece and the wheels start floating. A bus but me done about 3 passport. Make a toast money, make from the breeze start blow up a pill. But me know me no hear that door. Scholar ball say she broke lift up a green that door. Send a white boy fi tip on Jesus door.
Scholar boy say she blood clean broke but lift up a green that door. You got to find him. Hey!
Blow up a pill but me know me no hear that door. Scholar ball say she broke lift up a green that door. Send a white boy fi tip on Jesus door. Come on in there overflow if you giga.
Send a white boy fi tip on Jesus door, man. You hey boy, Skippa! Hey, come in! Come in.
Me no hear that door. Scholar ball say she broke lift up a green that door. Send a white boy fi tip on Jesus door. Come on in there overflow if you giga. Course scamming charge down more than weed and coke.
Ah! Please, man say, yo, me have money there for me go quote you. Cause scamming charge down enough than weed and coke, cute. Easy yourself. Come in on.
Tip on Jesus door. Come on in there overflow if you giga. Course scamming charge down more than weed and coke.
Oh, please, Skippa, come in.
Hey bro, get a bro short Cash Code, flipping money and open close store. Mother say me if you come enough to buy no more. Crown be my market.
Cash Code, flipping money and open close store. Smart. Yeah.
Open close store. Mother say me.
Hold on, I will store that man for.
Flipping money and open close store. Mother say me if you come enough to buy no more. Crown be my market. No more want try Porsche.
I want to say calm you. No buy no more. Crown Beast Bima. Nigga, that's alright. I push me I go dead. That's rich.
Me now full up in Louis V card, about 30 grand. Me tell them hell when the fans ask where me from. Me said the devil can't talk, come away, man.
Oh, clad. Them brother are different. Skippa. Hey, me tell you know, me the first nigga for react to Skippa upon you. Me tell you say the boy I go bad. You see me? Look at this.
When the fans ask where me from.
Easy now, man. Look at this now. Look at this now. The youth, look at it. Look at it.
No
yeah,
more
find them, you know.
Kicks, no more want try Porsche. Big goon plus she smart from Birmingham. Full up in Louis V card, about 30 grand. Me tell them hell when the fans ask where me from. Me said the devil can't talk when me wave, man.
Jesus. Hey!
Oh my OG, cars no keys, bad bitch, big body want ride on me. I don't scam, I don't bank, so don't lie on me. I got a skull with cancer, my
Oh my homie. Don't lie on me.
The devil can't talk when me wave, man. Oh my OG, cars no keys, bad bitch, big body want ride on me. I don't scam, I don't bank, so don't lie on me. I got a skull with cancer, might die on me.
Easy, you easy. The man, they went hard on that shit, bro. You see me? Oh my OG, no cars, no keys. Bad bitch, big body wanna ride on me. I don't scam, don't bang, don't lie on me. Easy that.
I can't talk when me wave, man. Oh my OG, cars no keys, bad bitch, big body want ride on me. I don't scam, I don't bang, so don't lie on me. I got a skull with cancer, might die on me. She no do the local bank, she would drive OT. Send her docs with the scan for my client scene. Bad bitch I get fucked, she can't cry no cream.
Bitch I get fucked, you can't go cream, mama. Ain't no tapping out. Ain't no, you see me? Yeah, man.
Them say Skippa too much song about scamming. Making money like it ain't I'm a fight. Might make a one tune, but it gave me a married. Must book a big goal like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Easy now, Briscoe. Easy now, me G. Briscoe, yeah, boy, Briscoe full of standards. Briscoe, where music there? Briscoe, where is the music, bro? Come on.
Them say Skippa how much weight they carry. I be a beast when I pull up down a poly. Wi-Fi still at work now, wait for nobody. From me pull up be a perk and weed.
Wi-Fi still at work now, wait for no man. Yeah, man.
Molly. Oh my OG, cars no keys, bad bitch, big body want ride on me. I don't scam, I don't bank, so don't lie on me. I got a skull with cancer, might die on me. She no do the local bank, she would drive OT. Send her docs with the scan for my client see. Bad bitch I get
docs with the scan for the client see. These niggas not easy, you know that. Fox and everything is that easy.
Fuck, she can't cry no cream. No me nah go ever. Hold on, skull up all to it, lad. I'm there, so I laugh and I talk to it. I'm in alone.
Oh, skull up all to it, lad. I'm there, so I laugh and I talk to the what?
I and see, bad bitch I get fucked, she can't cry no cream. No me nah go ever. Hold on, skull up all to it, lad. I'm there, so I laugh and I talk to it. I'm in alone night, just to make time pass. Now after 11. So I
want me and I lag, so make time pass now after. This man too crazy with it, bro. Yo.
Real Jack and never nothing up. Me chat. Yeah. Boy. Me chat too blank checking on my client account. Night time.
Oh, blank checking on my client account too. Easy now, man. Do this here, yo. We don't scam, we don't bang, don't lie upon we. You see me? Yeah. Come in, man. Buckley. Skip them. Skip them.
Believe no man.
Yeah, man. Vibes. Skippa the flipper. Yeah, man. I want to man. Easy yourself, me G. I want to them. They don't play with Bob. Don't play with Bob. The States is crazy. You see me? The States is crazy. Crazy. Don't play with it. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Skippa, I do a thing. You remember we're the first one to start listening to Skippa and react to Skippa on this shit. You see me? I say, look where you're at now. Go check his stats. Go check back in the file. You see me? That's how we always do it. We always find the talent because we know dancer. We know the culture, and where it's headed, and who's needed in this bit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. Like you show the artists on love and support, making us a Jambisco and sending you don't know what type it is. Yeah, man, we keep on dropping the bangers, keep dropping the videos. Drop your requests, you get your shout out. Once again, You see me? Davian, big up yourself. Davian requested this one. You see me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Yeah, drop in the comments. Let's get a let's talk about it. Let's get a discourse going. Skippa been doing this thing, man. Skippa coming with them own little style. You see me? And the man are really dominate the banging space in a different type of way. Like he meds and he way and think, man, pre this thing and think about it different from where the other niggas at. You see me? Like he that take it things serious and it's like, but we're gonna talk about this in a different time. But drop in the comments, gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.